Still all quiet across the area, just like we saw this afternoon. Low to mid 80s, a nice day. Still calm right now, upper 60s to low 70s, including a very mild 72 in Knoxville and Maryville. That's closer to the average high this time of year. So why are we weather aware? Because before you go to bed tonight, just want to make sure you do have multiple ways you can get alerts in case one or two warnings gets issued while you're asleep before you head out the door tomorrow. Not a whole lot going on right now. The spotty showers and storms towards the mid-state are weakening. Still watching that line that's coming through the boot heel of Missouri that should track our way a little later tonight into tomorrow, and we'll see some additional storms develop back to our west as well. So right now, greatest risk is where we're seeing it. Level 3 out of 5 from Evansville to north of Jonesboro, Arkansas. Level 2 from Nashville westward, and we're on the fringe here of that level 1 risk out of 5. So what we're looking at as the shower and storm chances push through closer to sunrise, they'll be weakening all the way through. And I'm not even expecting widespread severe tonight, maybe one or two. And it's just not a great opportunity, but don't want to let our guard down as we go overnight. Go to bed, go to sleep. It's going to be okay, but just have ways to wake up if one pops in your area. 2 to 5 or 1 to 4 Central Time across the plateau, and again, close to sunrise or the rush hour commute here in the valley. Weakening showers pushing east into the mountains as we get closer to daybreak. So I'll reiterate, just have multiple ways you can get alerts. No weather radios are great. They're battery backed up in case your power goes out. Phone as well, make sure it's charged, your tablet, and just don't have it on do not disturb or the silent mode, right? So you can get these alerts. Let's talk about 6 timeline. Show where these showers are coming from. Midnight to 3 a.m. Relatively quiet, but then shortly thereafter, as I mentioned, the shower and storm chances will be popping up, sliding through the area. And then by the time we get to midday, we're going to see a little bit of a break in the activity the way it's looking. One thing, if you hear a shower or thunderstorm overnight tonight, it could sound extra loud because we have what's called an inversion in place where there's some slightly warmer air just above the surface. So the sound basically bounces off that lower layer of warm air and makes it sound louder and sometimes last longer. So keep that in mind before you wake up tomorrow morning. Then the second opportunity. I think this would be a slightly better chance for seeing some scattered stronger storms, but still not everybody will see them from after midday through 6 p.m. on Friday as this system slides through. So even with the showers and storms working through overnight tonight, it uses up the fuel that we have in the atmosphere. Think about a car. It's driving down the road, you're using gas. At some point you're going to run out of gas, like tomorrow morning. But you stop at a gas station, you refill the fuel. Same thing happens with our atmosphere. The fuel will start to come back midday into early afternoon as the cold front pushes through. This again, probably a better chance of seeing those scattered showers and storms across the area, and then the fuel is gone close to sunset tomorrow across the area. So what are we talking about here? Not really a wide outbreak of severe storms. The tornado threat's on the lower side. It's mainly a heavy rain threat and some isolated wind damage. Don't let your guard down with that. We know that wind damage is a concern. That's why we take severe thunderstorm warnings seriously. 60 to 80 mile per hour winds can cause damage. Don't be scared. Just be prepared. That's what we always say. Much quieter as we head into Saturday. A little cooler, upper 60s. Slim chance of a sprinkle or shower, but mainly south near Chattanooga. Much cooler on Sunday. Only upper 50s for highs. Some scattered showers again from Knoxville south into the mountains, the more likely opportunity. And then temperatures rebound nicely as we head into the first part of next week.